Welcome to our video. This is Freezy. Regarding the sustainability in our community, we propose MIFF, which is a project that aims at improving the water quality and vegetation irrigation in HKUST. Fifth refers to the 5 goals mentioned in the HKUST 2028 Sustainability Challenge. Through our project, we want to demonstrate that net zero is something feasible, not just a tale. During our site visit to the Guangzhou campus, we saw some cleaners working under the scorching sun in the central river. We asked them what they were doing. After a short conversation, we learned that they had to work at least 8 hours a day, twice a week, to clean the algae from the bottom of the entire central river. Apart from Guangzhou, we found a similar problem regarding the water landscape in Hong Kong as well. Through conversations with the Net Zero office staff, we found that there is a lot of sludge in the pond between Hall 6 and Hall 4. Also, all irrigation is still done manually, which requires workers to connect the pipes before irrigation. Hence, we introduced our system MIFF to improve the water quality and vegetation irrigation on both campuses by reducing water usage and enhancing well-being. Although implementing these solutions may require some energy consumptions, however, fresh water accounts for only 2.5% of resources yet is precious. We believe the energy cost is worthwhile if we can incorporate algae into composting to improve water landscape and campus vegetation, enhancing the environment and reducing workers' pressures while meeting HKUST 2028 sustainability goals and 8 UN goals as well. MIFF is a system that recycles water from a pond and irrigates vegetations with nutrients extracted from the algae and sludge. The system consists of 4 main components: a pond, a water treatment center, an irrigation controller, and fertilization system. The points serve as a water source and a storage for surplus water from irrigation. A pump and the point sends water with sludge and algae to the water treatment center, where multiple filters remove heavy metals and other harmful substances from the water. The sludge will be separated and sent to the fertilizer system, which can be used as biofertilizer and reduce waste thrown to the landfill. The filtered water then flows to an electric car with a sprinkler that can change to different angles, where enzymes are added to break down the algae and release nutrients that can be used for irrigation and prevent blockage in the surface drip irrigation system. After that, the plants are equipped with sensors that measure the temperature, moisture, and pH of the soil. The irrigation controller uses this data to dynamically adjust the irrigation schedule, and the signal will be sent to the worker once the soil is to dry with the specific location. For example, we suggested that both campuses can implement the surface drip irrigations for Patir and micro-sprinkler irrigation system for grassland, which can help to minimize the water usage for irrigation. Considering the geographical factor, there will be an additional movable water tank for irrigation in the Hong Kong campus. To complete the whole cycle, the excess water from irrigation will recycle back to the pond. MIFF